security-relevant structured and unstructured data in order to understand, reason, and learn about constantly evolving threats. It's about building instincts and expertise, similar to those of security professionals, but at a scale like we've never seen. The result? Watson for Cybersecurity will arm analysts with the collective knowledge and instinct to respond to threats with greater confidence and speed. Step up to the cognitive era. IBM Security.
Welcome to Aegis School of Data Science, the best school for postgraduate program in data science, business analytics, and big data, in association with IBM. Industry association with IBM, AWS Educate, NVIDIA DLI, UBTech. IBM has set up Business Analytics Lab. Final certification is issued by IBM. Aegis facilitates scholarships, financial aid, and study loans available. We will work on live projects from the industry. Curriculum design with the help of top data scientists and companies. Hands-on exposure to machine learning, stats, deep learning, NLP, Google TensorFlow, Spark, IBM Watson, AWS ML, and many more. Highly satisfied students with amazing reviews. Program delivered by IBM experts and the best data scientists. Program follows globally acceptable North American credit structure. Proud alumni working as data scientists with leading organizations. Participants can get opportunities for internships and final job placement with leading organizations. Aegis organizes Aegis Graham Bell Awards, Aegis' largest data science Congress Deep Learning Summit, meetups, and leadership speaker series. Network with the best data scientists and AI experts from around the world. Present your projects to the world. World-class delivery infrastructure and cloud learning management system. 3 delivery models, full-time, executive weekend classroom, and online live interactive. Add wings to your career and explore today at www.aegis.edu.in.
How's the day? Good? So got certain insights? All right. So how many of you are already working in that data analytics vertical? Raise your hands. You are in data science only? Data analytics vertical. Okay. And how many of you are, okay, this is the frame? All right. So this is the blockchain, I believe. Okay. I'll have to follow it. So and how many of you are working? Okay. And how many of you are fresher? And what about the rest? You guys are not working, not studying, then what are you doing? Student. So which year, what are you doing? That's what I asked. Final year, BTech. How many are from electronics background? Oh, good number. IT, computer science. Oh, majority of you. Which institution you are from? Which college? Daheria Engineering College. All right. So what made you think so, guys, on this Saturday evening when most of your peers, it's going to Lonavala on tracks, some of you are, going for a movies, right? But you are here. So what made you think so? What dragged you in that particular such events? You want to learn, right? New technologies. You want to get yourself into that data science vertical. This is the whole idea. Right? You want to transform your career or maybe step into that data science. This is the main idea, right? Okay. So now, since morning we have given you some bombardment of technologies in which we have done some moduling as well, the workshop that we have conducted. So there are a very warm welcome again. Quickly, I'll brief you about this session, how to launch your career, because most of you are at your final year if you guys wish to get into that data science vertical, if you wish to step into those disruptive technologies, like if I talk about AI, machine learning, data science, blockchain, cybersecurity, what is the way out? How to do it, right? So how Aegis and IBM will help you in order to achieve, or maybe a kind of bridge, so that you can directly observe by the organization. So I'll quickly walk you through with the how Aegis and IBM will help you in order to achieve that, ladder, or to bridge the gap between the skills and the competence which are required. So you have to have those skills which are very hot in the market, and how you do that, right? So I'm Ritin Joshi, and quickly I'll walk you through with this how to launch your career in those disruptive and the exponential technology is what we call them. Okay. Brief about us. We have already given a brief in the morning that who we are, what we do. These are the associations we have got, right? So with AWS as our premier partner, with AWS participants so we provide various programs as well, which you can look forward to as one of the options if you are looking forward to have, go for higher studies or to pursue your masters, right? So I'll be walking you through with what sort of masters program we offer. So AWS, we have tied up with AWS. So Amazon Web Services, you might have heard about that, right? So participants who join the programs, what we offer, they will get the entire access on the AWS Cloud Labs. Also, like you have the access for Google Labs today, the entire hands-on what you have got. Similarly, AWS Labs and the course content on AWS participants they will get. We do have the tie-up with NVIDIA. Most of you are aware about it. How many are game freaks here? Most of you have played games? It looks like a gamer, right? Okay, so NVIDIA, thanks to them, because they are into graphic cards and GPUs, but now over the last few years, they have become the world leader in AI and deep learning. They have joined hands with us for delivering the courses in AI and deep learning, which is a core part of the course. We have tied up with UBTech. How many of you have heard about UBTech? Have you heard about UBTech? No? UBTech, you have heard about that lady? Okay, no? Okay, so UBTech is a global leader in robotics and computer vision, right? They have also joined hands with us, in which we are providing and training the modules just like Alexas, you might have heard about that, right? We are training these humanoids, like Lynx humanoids. Have you heard about humanoids? Sophia and all those stuff, the humanoids, the new genre of robots which are coming in the market. So we are training them on these modules like speech recognition, facial recognition systems. So UBTech, they have joined hands with us for that. And the IBM, right? So with IBM, these are the programs we have rolled out. So IBM, we offer these programs, which is currently these 3 programs we have rolled out. That is postgraduate program in data science, business analytics and big data, which is a holistic applied data science program, which is equivalent to masters we offer with IBM. Another program we are offering, which is completely into more exhaustive program, that is more intensive program, that is completely into ML, AI and deep learning, which we offer again with IBM. And the third program, which is completely into cybersecurity. And all these programs, we joined hands with IBM 6 years back, when the world is not aware about data science. It is seeding up at that moment. And since then, so we are following the same legacy. Till date, the market has been flooded by the data scientists who have done their program. The largest number of market share we have from the alumni base we have got, who are making us feel proud working with different industries altogether by doing these programs. So 6 years back, we have rolled out that program, which is a data science program I have talked about. Let's go deeper into that. So newly launched program, we have recently launched few months back. These programs, you might have heard about blockchain. I believe all you are tech geeks here, right? So we have launched these programs, which is PGP in blockchain in association with IBM. We'll be talking in quick brief, shallow brief I'll give you. Then the full stack development, because now the market is, all of you are from electronics. How many of you are electronics background? Okay. And computer science? Okay. Mixed of everybody, right? So now the full stack development, it's very high in demand. The normal coders and developers are no longer that much adequate in the market, right? You have to know the entire ABC of the coding in terms of the client side, in terms of, you have to know the SQL, the entire technology which is being used to understand the database, SQL queries and all this stuff. Then jQuery, mean stack, bootstrapping, everything which is required to design the website, servers you have to work upon, that kind of full stack also which is required, very high demand. So that's why we have rolled out another program. These are newly launched programs we have just recently launched with IBM. So let's get into a deeper dive, take a deeper dive with this program which we offer, which is a postgraduate program in data science, business analytics and big data. It's a holistic applied data science program. Why holistic? Because in which we are covering up all the three aspects, that is data science, business analytics and big data, which we offer, as I mentioned, in association with IBM. And that program is also equivalent to MS in data science, which is globally accepted. Now these are the labs. What IBM they have, with IBM we have established these labs. Like today you have the access of the cloud Google lab, right, so that we have worked upon. Similarly, like IBM and Aegis, we have initiated cloud and data science lab. What we have got, these are cloud labs. Participants, they will have the access for the same, which participants they use it for doing their in-class projects, real life projects, which is the major USP of the program. I'll be quickly walking you through with next slides. These are the modes of delivery. There are three modes of delivery under which we offer this program. First one, which is a full-time program, as you can see. Another one will be the executive mode of delivery. What is the difference? Full-time program, the classes will be held 6 days a week on campus, timing full day 10 to 5, 10 to 6. And after 11 months of training, there will be internship and placement would be offered. And the entire credit structure of the program is, the entire program is of 45 credit unit, right? So and we follow the Northern American structure here. So any program, maybe you are aware or not, any program which is above than 36 credit unit is considered as a master's program globally. So this program is of minimum 45 credit unit. So one credit unit typically is equivalent to your 10 to 12 hours of, or 15 hours at max of sessions, classroom sessions. So this is how the entire structure. Another mode of delivery, which will be the executive mode of delivery. Anybody who is working in the similar area, one should have minimum at least 2 years of experience, or the similar experience into analytics like you have if anybody would be working. So they can join these executive mode of delivery, which will be on Saturday and Sunday. The executive, in this way, the weekend on campus, classes will be held on Saturday and Sunday. Timings 10 to 5, 10 to 6 full day. Duration will be the same, 11 months. Credit structure will be the same, 45 credit unit. Another mode of delivery for those where we don't have presence, because currently we are offering this program 3 places, Mumbai, Pune and Bangalore. If anybody is residing anywhere else where we don't have presence, so they can join this executive. It's a live interactive, the last one, the live interactive mode of delivery, in which the classes will be held on real-time interactive basis. And we are offering currently this program 18 countries around the globe. This is the certification participants they will get once they complete their program, that is jointly delivered and offered by Aegis and IBM, which is globally accepted. This is the sample certification copy I have just put for your reference. As I have mentioned, NVIDIA's part, right? So NVIDIA, they have joined hands with us because over the last few years, like they were into graphic cards and GPUs, but over the last few years, NVIDIA, they have become leaders in AI and deep learning. Are you aware about that? And they are powering heavily Google and Facebook as well, right? The entire backup engine in deep learning and AI. They joined hands with us for delivering the courses, which is AI and deep learning. For that, NVIDIA experts, they come and they do deliver the entire hand-holding for the participants. And for which, if participants, they clear those AI and deep learning modules, participants, they will get additional certification by NVIDIA and Aegis, which is globally accepted. Coming to the courses, curriculum, what we offer. The course curriculum we have got, it has got the core courses and the elective. So when I talk about the core course, and we have designed the curriculum as per the skills and the competency matrix which is required by the data scientist. And what are these core skills and competencies? That you will find here. So the core courses what we do deliver, we start the program with the very vital backbone of any analytics and data science, or maybe machine learning or deep learning, which is any idea you have? Very true. What's your name? You are working? You are in finance sector. So statistics and probability, right? We start the program from that, then goes up to advanced statistics. Parallelly, we cover R language is very much there. Python is very much there. Machine learning, different types of machine learning is required. You might have heard about only one machine learning. There are different machine learning for different types of data set, like machine learning using R, machine learning using Python, machine learning using TensorFlow, machine learning using Spark MLive, machine learning using Scala, right? Machine learning over AWS. There are different types of machine learning which is required, right? So this is what we do teach. Start from scratch to advanced level. Then goes up to your AI and deep learning, for which I have already explained. We have tied up with NVIDIA, who is there. Their experts come and they will do the hand holding for the participants. Then your natural language processing is very much there as a core part of the course. Spark is very much there as a core part of the course. Since we offer this program with IBM, there are certain IBM specific proprietary technologies which is widely being used by the industries globally, for which IBM experts they come and they deliver the entire hands-on to the participants, like few of them: Cognos BI, Infosphere Big Insight, IBM SPSS. You might have heard about that. Cognitive computing by IBM. Have you heard about cognitive computing? Watson Analytics. So these are the few IBM specific tools and the technology that IBM experts they come and they will do the hand holding. And these all comes under the core courses what we offer. Then comes your elective. So there are bunch of electives available. If like SAS, TableU, ClickSense, ClickView, which is a visualization tools, right? If anybody wants to get a deeper dive into deep learning, one can choose neural network, which is a part of the elective. So this is how the course curriculum will work, right? And if you want to go deeper dive, so this is available. You can also, we are going live as well for all the participants who are attending us online, live interactive basis. So they can just click the snapshot of it and you can go to our website, you will get to know more information about the curriculum. Okay, another program we offer, which is a postgraduate program in cybersecurity. So why there is need of cybersecurity? Because of the data explosion that has done, right? And because of data that has to be secured, because we are living in a digital universe, you all are aware, right? Most of your valuable information like your credit card details has been captured by most of the organization you do your shopping, right? Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, right? You have to provide your details. So that information, confidential information, that has to be secured. It's not about your information. If you talk about cybersecurity, which is a subset of information security, electronics communication guys, right? Computer science, right? So now, if you talk about cybersecurity, if you take an aerial look, you will find when you talk about, so all of you have heard about data scientist profile, right? Highly buzzword, big time buzzword. Similarly, like have you heard about CISO profiles? CISOs, CISOs, Chief Information Security Officers, right? This is the top-notch positions. To reach that position, you have to have the knowledge of the different layers of security which is required. What is that? Starting from your infrastructure security, right? This is what we are covering up. Then goes up to network security, we are covering up. Then comes your data security. We are very much covering up every single technology starting from the scratch to advanced level. Then on that data, you are building up what? Applications, application security, right? Then comes your cloud, where you're deploying these models to the cloud, right? So the cloud, the infrastructure has to be secured. And then comes your cybersecurity. So all layers of security we are covering up. That's why this program again is a holistic applied cybersecurity program we offer. For which again with IBM we offer this program. So we have set up the entire labs with IBM, cybersecurity labs we have, which is a cloud lab. These are the delivery models. Similarly, like what we offer in data science program, 3 modes of delivery: full-time, executive mode of delivery. This is the certification participants they will get once they complete the program. That will be jointly offered and delivered by IBM and Aegis, which is globally accepted. Again, this program, back to the slide, this is equivalent to masters again, which is globally accepted. Okay, curriculum part, what we are delivering in this program. So cybersecurity is not all about ethical hacking, we might have heard about, right? Highly said phenomena, right? My nephew, he is hardly 9-year-old, he is an ethical hacker, right? He hacked my PS4, downloaded all my games. So ethical hacking is a very small part of it. But what we are delivering, the major technique is, these are pen testing, vulnerability analysis, Python for cybersecurity, because you have to create this smart system that can prevent the threats. Machine learning for cybersecurity, you have to create the automated smart system. If you guys are aware, 2017, right, a red letter day in the economy. So the ransomware attack, WannaCry, you might have heard about that, right? All systems got disrupted. They got malfunctioned because the IPs had got the AI compatibility, no one able to track these IPs because it had got the machine learning and AI built capabilities. So this is what we are covering up. QRadar, might have heard about that, I believe, widely used tool by IBM. This is we are covering up AWS cloud security, then cryptography, your digital forensics. There are, again, it has got the core course and the elective. Massive structure, massive curriculum. If you want to go more deeper dive about the curriculum part, you can go and check more details on that. Another program we offer, which is a postgraduate program in blockchain, right? This is another area which is booming like anything, the cryptocurrency. Have you heard about that? The blockchain. So this is what we are offering. Again, the same structure. It has got the full-time and the executive mode of delivery. 11 months program followed by 2 months of internship and placement. That's what we offer. 6 days a week full-time program we offer. 15 projects what we do deliver. So projects part I'll be walking you through in the next slides quickly. Certification by IBM, total program 45 credit unit. We are starting this program 26th August. Applications are open. This is what we are delivering, like Node.js, Ripple, foundation of Coda for blockchain, Hyperledger, web development tools. You can go and check more details about the curriculum what we are offering. It has again got the core courses and elective. Another program what we offer, which is a postgraduate program in full stack development, like I have mentioned, right? You can go and check the details, like the same 11 months program, full-time and executive mode of delivery. That program we are starting from 19th August. And what we are delivering, like jQuery, MeanStack, React, JavaScript, Hibernate, Flask, Node.js, different kind of technologies we are delivering, starting from same, you have to do the development part as well, from the client side, from the server side, you should know the Python as well, you have to work on the servers part, front end, back end, you should know the every aspect of it, right? And there are n number of jobs which are vacant. If you go and check in Naukri, almost 17,000 jobs are there. Indeed, report says like 7,000 full stack developers are required who know all these kind of technology, right? Starting from the scratch to advanced level. So from inception to execution, you should know the entire idea, how to execute that particular project. Okay, so this is again has got the core courses in the elective. I'll be walking you through, okay, the faculties and mentors, because this is again plays a very important role, that you will be, these courses will be delivered by whom, right? So few structure I'll give you, like Dr. Vinay Kulkarni, who is the director of Aegis. He holds dual degrees from IIT Bombay, did his PhD from IIT Bombay, more than 25 years of experience. He take care of the statistics part, Hadoop and Spark part at Aegis. Dr. Shamsuddin Ladda, he had got dual degrees, dual PhDs from IIT Bombay and Monash University, take care of the machine learning part at Aegis. Dr. Saugata Mukherjee, he heads the entire Watson vertical for IBM, who takes care of the Watson and the virtualization part at Aegis. Bhavik Gandhi we have got, so he hails from the University of Florida, and he takes care of the machine learning part. He is the lead data scientist working with Shadi.com, adjunct professor at Aegis. Dr. Abhijit Gangopadhyay, he is the dean of Aegis. He is also a founding dean of IIM Indore and founding dean and director of TIS, Tata Institute of Social Science. He takes care of the critical thinking and HR analytics at Aegis. Then we have hired few Russian data scientists and Ukrainian data scientists as well for a Spark, like Dr. Tetiana, as you can see, she is a Ukrainian data scientist, takes care of the Spark part at Aegis. And there are different faculties, you can go and get more details on that. So Center of Innovation, at Aegis we have curated different platforms, like with PyData we are doing such kind of events. Similarly, like we have designed our own verticals like Data Science Congress, which is Asia's one of the largest event we host. It's a 3-day conference in which we invite the real-time data scientists, cognitive computing expert, the CIOs, thought leaders across the globe. We invite the research paper in those disruptive technologies. We also invite the companies who have done some tremendous breakthrough innovation in those AI, machine learning, in those exponential technologies. And these companies are the prospective recruiter for the participants who complete the program from us. So it's a huge platform. You can go and check the more details on the internet. We have curated Aegis Graham Bell Award. I won't talk much about that particular property, but this is another property we have curated in order to reward the innovations which are coming up in different areas in those disruptive technologies. Though we offer this program with IBM, who itself is a leader in that cybersecurity and data science, but we awarded IBM as well with these in that segment of the different categories under which we reward the innovation. So we have awarded IBM as well, and there are so many giants. We conduct various hackathons, workshops, like today we have done, right? So some free workshops, some paid workshops. On pan-India basis, we conduct such workshops so that individuals like you get the benefit and you get your hands dirty, right? So do subscribe to us over Facebook, over our YouTube channel. You will get to know when the next workshop is going to be held, so you will get the benefit. Projects part. So this is the area, I will take a few more minutes. So these projects are the major USP of the program, because learning is one thing, tools and technologies is one thing, but how will you measure your performance? how the hands-on exposure will come because of the real-life projects what we offer. So these real-life projects provides the participants the entire in-depth knowledge. Like today you have done some hands-on. Maybe you have not become the expert, but you have got some slight idea that how the technologies is moving. Like the first session that was taken care by Mr. Bhupesh Daheria, who is the CEO of this entire Aegis group. He might have set up the context. So you should know the entire ABC from the conceptual level to the tools level as well. Because companies, they will grill you on all the aspects, right? From the technical know-how and from the conceptual part as well, right? So these projects are actually helping the participants to get their hands dirty with the technology, and this is required when it comes to the placement. These are the projects we have done so far, like skill and job trend analysis. So what we have done so far, this particular project, we are doing this project with the UNDP, United Nations. Suppose you have X number of skills, right? You know R, you know Python, you have done Java, some CS graduates are there. So suppose you type these skills on Google. Do you think that Google will give you the exact analysis which company is hiring in real time? Do you get this information? I believe no, you won't get that. So what you will get? You will get maybe Naukri's advertisement, maybe Indeed job portal, LinkedIn portal. Maybe if you click on that particular job portal, you will find that you have landed up to some of the job which has already been preoccupied, right? So that kind of statistics you will get. But now in this particular platform, what we do is, if you type those skills, you will get the entire idea that which companies are hiring, what are the areas these placements, these jobs are available in Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, and you can directly apply as well. Another project we have done, which is call drop, then fraud detection we have done for leading banks in India in credit card and loan segment with the facial recognition system. Another project, which is a project Khojo, right? So this is our very own project, as you can see here. So the theme revolves, let's find missing child. So how this project works? Can you connect my phone to this system? I'll give you a quick demo, right? Any days. So how this project works, suppose the theme is very simple, let's find missing child, as you can easily got to know. If you found somebody begging on the street, and these child who are begging on the street, they are not destined to do that job. They have been dragged to that particular trade, right? It's a structured crime. It's 590-922-652, yes. It's down there, right? Okay. Yes. So how this will work? You found somebody begging on the street here in Hirandani Gardens, right? So what will happen? Everybody has a smartphone nowadays, right? And every phone has a good camera. Is it or not? It is, right? So what you have to do, simply take your phone, because if you go out and try to become some savior of these kids, maybe your life will be in danger, because it's a structured crime, right? So what you have to do, simply take your phone out, and this is how the application looks like. Can you see that? I have connected my phone. It's called Project Khojo, as you can see here. I have clicked that project. So this is how the interface looks like. It's a web-based, Android-based application. If you click on capture missing child photo, I'm doing it right here. So the camera is open, like I can see you guys here live. Let's take my own picture. 2, 1, go. Okay. So now if I check here on the right button, immediately what will happen? The geolocation get traced, right? And this, if I go and click here, if I proceed it further, maybe I'll be in a, I am not doing it because else I'll be in a missing child's list. I don't want to be. Okay. So now this is how the projects work. So now this photograph will be shared to the nearby NGOs, police stations, cyber cell, and we have designed one algorithm on deep learning and AI based algorithm in it, which is analyzing the images, because if somebody found missing, if somebody is missing, their parents, their relatives, they might have logged some FIR, and it will do the statistical based analysis, the facial recognition system what we have built. The flash will be given to somebody's phone who have logged an FIR that this person, Ritin Joshi, found here missing and he is delivering one session. Maybe anywhere that guy you will find, right? So this is how the PCR will come and capture, and the culprits will be behind the bar and the child will get found. This is the major idea. So these kind of projects, I have just given you a kind of walkthrough. So these are the real life projects. And these projects are actually helping the participants to get recruited by the companies, mostly in day 0 and day 1. Okay. Other projects we have done, like you can see, like augmented image to creative contextual description, brilliant projects. Last year participants they have done. Nielsen picked up the entire batch. What they have created, you simply have to click one photograph. If I click your photograph right here, upload it to the system will design the story, right? Gone were the days of script writers. Whatever the kind of mood, it's raining outside, you guys are sipping coffee and having samosas. So a beautiful picture, a story that system will delineate, it will create. Nielsen picked up the entire batch. So these properties I have mentioned, like Data Science Congress, Gramble Award, so these are also help the participants to get placed, because mostly they are a recruiter. The companies who are coming, CTOs, CIOs, and these kind of hiring, these individuals they are doing by themselves, because they know the technology better. Facial authentication for M University, then sports analytics for IPL match prediction, loan prediction system, stock exchange price prediction, Bitcoin price prediction. There are so many projects, right? So overall, there are 6 real life projects and 1 major capstone project we do provide to the participants during that entire tenure of 11 months to this program. Quick view about the Career Management Center, because after 11 months, as I have mentioned, there is a Career Management Center, which is an integral part of Aegis, which facilitate the participants with excellent internship and placements. When I say excellent, what kind of excellency? As I have already mentioned, it's been 6 years we have been offering this program, and we have the largest number of alumni base in the market. Still we are following the same legacy, who are working with those giants globally. Companies like few name I'll name, like IBM, PwC, Accenture, Deloitte, L&T Infotech, L&T Finance. Last year almost 50 plus companies have come to recruit. The statistics, if I tell you, minimum package, freshers like you is 6.5, because we won't allow any company on campus who offer less than 6.5. And maximum for the fresher that goes up to 12.5 last year. And average was 8.5 to almost 9.1. This year again, we have started off with the placement. You might have seen some placement drive signages outside. This June we have started off 11th, 12th and 13th. So we run the drive in that way, day 0, day 1 and day 2. In those 3 days, till now, it's still on. 37 companies have come. 75 offers has been given. And minimum package till now, that is 6.75 for the fresher. And maximum this time again goes 13 lakhs. And average package would be around 14.5. Maximum till now it is 22 lakhs. Internship has been offered 1 lakh. For the stipend, for the internship spot, 1 lakh has been given. So this is a kind of statistics. Why? Because of these real life projects. Because when you go out, the companies, they grill you on different parameters. Because they need a candidate. Suppose if you guys are fresher, you go and join any organization, maybe TCS, Wipro, XYZ, any company. But I would suggest don't join these TCS, Wipro. These are the talent graveyards. You won't be able to learn much things on these companies, because these companies, they work on factory based model. Try to grab some startups or SMEs who are doing brilliantly well, right? But for that, you have to have those skills, which these industries they are looking at, right? So now what the companies they are looking at you. So if suppose you get hired by an organization, they will give you a training or induction for 2 to 3 months time. Why? Because they precisely know to whom they are hiring, they know nothing. You have studied a lot, but you have not practiced it practically. That's why they give you the induction. Then they believe that some value addition will come on the table. Agreed or not? This is the case. But here, the scenario is completely upside down. The companies are hiring on that basis. Whether the individual to whom they are hiring, they are able to put the value starting from day 1. And how will do that? If you would have extensively worked upon the projects. Not upon only the projects, you should have your fundas very clear. The conceptual part has to be clear. You should know why you have applied R, why you have not applied Python. You should be having the knowledge, what is the difference between the linear regression, logistic regression, right? What is the difference between these algorithms? Companies will grill you on these 2. Done, finish. Then they will, and also you should have some projects like I showed you handy, like how you have worked upon these projects. So this is what companies are expecting. And that's why they're offering these kind of packages. Clear? Moving on. Some of the proud alumni of Aegis, I'll be just walking you through with them. Puneet Rathore, that guy, the time he joined the program, he has got 2 years of experience, 2.5, and he hails from the IT background from Rajasthan Institute of Technology. He did his BTech. So currently he is working as a director Morgan Stanley, as you can see, and heads the entire data science vertical. Michelle, working with Nielsen, hails from electronics and communication background. Some of you are electronics, this side, yes. Pritesh Tiwari, that guy, the time he joined, he has hardly 1.1 year of experience, hardly matters. That counts, comes from the computer science background. Currently, he is leading the entire AI vertical at PNB MetLife. Dhruva Jyoti, he is working as a data scientist, working with Loginex now. He is an electronics engineer the time he joined the program. Vigneshwar, he was a fresher. The time he joined the program, he did his BTech from, he's an instrumentation engineer, fresher, currently working as a data scientist with E&Y. Saurabh Bidwai, currently working with data scientist in Shastak, he's also a fresher. Abhishek Gupta, one of the exception. That guy hails from the commerce background, he's a BCom graduate, currently working with data science, and there are certain exceptions. Individuals who are coming from mechanical background, who feel, okay, what the hell they have done, that they have joined mechanical engineering or civil engineers as well, right? They feel the life is a dead end, right? But now these individuals, because there is not that much scope for those areas. These folks, they have joined the program and they are flying high with a jetpack on their back. This is the power of the program. Aniket Chaudhary, working as a data scientist with NSC, hails from the mechanical engineer, like I have mentioned a few minutes back. Some of the other participants, like you can just go through it, I'll scroll it down. Okay. The statistics, which background they are coming from, any individual who are coming from the economics background, commerce background, BCom graduates, BTech graduates, all specialization are welcome. Okay, now today you have done with one info session, I mean the workshop you guys have gone through. So suppose you have got some of the insights about the tools and the technologies, right? Suppose if you are delivering the session on machine learning or AI or deep learning, believe me, one session is not enough. You won't be able to digest that. So how come the learnability will increase? So it increases because of that LMS, which is called Immunicampus, which is easy to access on the fly, on the go. You can take the entire lectures on your pocket. This is the freedom that platform it provides you. Can you please, my phone is connected, I'll show you how this app will help you. You can download that application, which is called Immunicampus. There are few free lectures are available. You can download that application from Android store, Play Store, it's available, which is called Immunicampus. You can log in and register yourself. So how this will work, I'll just quickly give you a demo on that. So this is how the Immunicampus looks and feel like. Immunicampus, okay, I've opened that application on my phone. This is how the dashboard looks like. My courses, live lectures are going on, you can access these live lectures. If placements are happening, you will be getting the alerts. You can check your attendance. Let me go to my courses, the courses I have registered. So these are the courses I have registered myself for. I'm scrolling it down, like R, Web Analytics, Apache, okay. So let me take you to some of the sessions, how this will work. Deep learning, I'm going to the deep learning part. This is how the content will look like. Overview, the content, Q&A, the instructors as well, you will get to know, like Dr. Ashish Tendulkar. So he is working with Google itself, build the entire platforms on AI and deep learning. So, and this is the Q&A, you will see the assignment, the quizzes that had been done. If you want to check, because every lecture what we do deliver, we record and upload it to the learning management system what we have. And the access will be with you 24/7 throughout the course. At any point of time, you can go through these sessions and revive it. Let me run one session. Okay. So whatever the experts will be writing, you will have the entire thing on your board. These kind of smart technologies, we use it. Okay. Let me take you to the introduction session of deep learning.
Right, so my name is Ashish Tendulkar. and I'll be your instructor for deep learning with TensorFlow course. I do not know much about what has happened.
So this is how the lectures would be handy, and you can take the entire session from your pocket. This is how it will help the overall learning to the participants. I've taken this screenshot. I thought if the app might not work, so I'll just walk you through the same thing I showed you. Also, we provide the financial aid and the bank loans available. If you guys think that you have scored pretty well on your 10th, 12th and graduation, if you have scored well in your CAT, ZAT, GMAT, GRE, percentile, we also accept these scores. So these are the financial aid, which is a kind of scholarship, 10% to 100% waiver in the entire fees, what we do give to the participants throughout for the full-time program, what we offer. You can check, every single detail is mentioned in the website. So you are in 4th year now, you will be completing 3rd year, right? So whenever you will be completing, check that, and you will have some idea that how much you are getting into and how much scholarship you are eligible for. But that is completely depending upon your interview. There is a process as well. I'll show you the process. The admission process, if you guys are looking forward to enroll for these courses, you have to fill the online application. Then one personal interview would be scheduled. If you guys have already completed your BTech, your graduation, if you are looking forward to enroll for these courses, even the candidates who are watching us live, so applications are open. We are conducting the interviews on 7th this July, and 14th also, 14th July. Tomorrow interviews are happening, but tomorrow it cannot be done because entire slots have been filled up. 7th we are open, and 14th another interviews are lined up. In case anybody gets through and shortlisted, we extend the admission offer on the very same day. This is how the process will work. If you wish to apply for that, go through that aegis.edu.in, or maybe you can go tomuniversity.mobi/aegis, pick up the course, click on the apply button. Suppose you are applying for this cybersecurity, click on apply, or maybe any program you can click. You have to log in by using a Google, Facebook or LinkedIn credentials, and this is how you have to apply. Any questions so far, guys? Yes. Fee for which program? Showed you different models. Full time or for executive it is 3.35 lakhs plus taxes for Mumbai location. Yes. And for executive online it's 2.35 plus taxes. Any more questions you have? It's in the pipeline. It will be live few months down the line. But if you guys have already know some of these skills, we are very much looking forward to get on board these individuals who have some technology orientation, who can contribute, because it's a open project, right? It's a non-commercial project. So you can come and contribute into that particular project. It will be live in another 2 to 3 years down the line. So for this COJO project, government is supporting us in a big way. Andhra government, they are supporting us in a big way. Goa government, they have signed an MOU with us. All NGOs and police stations, everybody, right? Cybercell, they are supporting us in a big way. It's a noble cause. You can also contribute to any of the project. And also we do observe the interns as well. If you guys think, suppose you are fresher, right? If you have upgraded yourself on those R, Python, any skills, machine learning, AI, do approach to us. This is the email ID I have mentioned. Do write to us with your CV, with the projects, with the skills what you have got. We are very much observing the candidates on globally. Any questions so far, guys? All right, so pleasure talking. If you would have any questions, jot down my coordinates. You can reach out to me. Thank you so much. Pleasure.